hello. To the beer. To the beer.
Thought there was something
I
else
was
going on
speaking
outside.
to the beer.
Yeah. So we should be in a better mood, but I'm not.
It is okay.
That's
It'll
right.
get better.
Yeah. But pretty excited about this beer because it's something that I don't think many people have done. So it's an Ice IPA. Lack of hops in there. Stuck the fermenter outside and froze it, so we got all the slushiness in there, and we're able to extract just the
Concentrated alcohol.
concentrated alcohol, the hobby alcohol.
Yep.
So
that means when you ice it, the bittering goes up a bit, and the alcohol goes up a bit.
goes a bit. So we think it's going to be about a 10%, 80 IBUs. So this is why we're only drinking like 2/3 of a glass instead of a full glass. Because
Lame.
yeah, well, probably because we only got about 30. We got about 30% less overall too. So
We use a lot of Centennial on the dry hop,
yeah,
so that comes
it was
through.
almost
pounds.
4 pounds of Centennial in this batch, so over 2 pounds a barrel. Woo.
Damn.
That's pretty smooth for 10%. Got the Maris Otter body.
Yep.
Good hop bitterness.
I would like say that's. Could that even get up close to 100 IBU?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I mean,
Yeah.
it's something I've never done before. So I was really nervous about how it was going to turn out, if it was going to turn out, and pretty happy it did.
It's funny, every time I keep looking up on our wall, I feel like it's slightly, everyone just gets better and better and better. You know?
Well, at least it's staying up there with pretty damn good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting to see how weeks 40 through 50 are. Wintertime, we're doing the Ice IPA and then an ice box sort of back to back, and I wanted to keep it consistent through the both of them. You'll have to wait for the ice box. And keep it clean, keep it simple. Really great hop flavor though. If you like hops, this is really tasty.
Oh yeah. There's a good bitterness to this.
Good solid punch.
I'm blinded by the light.